everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the 5-minute quick finisher for the abs. This week we're doing body weight only. 5 minutes, 5 exercises. Let's get started. Down on the mat. Starting in 10 seconds, our first exercise is single oblique V ups. So lay down, extend your arms, extend your legs, and now up and a little twist. Now the other leg, up and a little twist. Up and twist. Up and twist. Just keep breathing. Brilliant. Now bend your legs, straight arm crunches, and with exhale. Keep going with exhale, crunch. There's a little hold, almost there. The next one is cross crunches. Okay, feet flat on the mat, place ankle over the opposite knee, and now crunch, crunch. And switch. Keep going, almost there. Okay, brilliant. Now we have toe taps with extension. So extend the leg and tap. Extend and heel tap, extend and tap, extend and tap. Keep your lower back pressed to the mat. Keep breathing. Okay, nicely done. The last one is plank rotation, so high plank position, and now rotate one side, then the other side. Almost there. And yay! Well done! Nice job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. 5-minute quick finisher for the ups, body weight. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety, Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.